In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through an easy and effective way to export your OneDrive files, specifically using the web interface. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to download your important documents, photos, or even entire folders right to your computer without any hassle or confusion. Whether you need a backup, you're moving to a new account, or you simply want a copy of certain files, this method will have you covered. Alright, let's get started. First up, you'll want to open your web browser and head to OneDrive. If you're using OneDrive for personal files, just go to the regular OneDrive website and sign in with your Microsoft account. If these files are from a job or a school, make sure you're logging in with your work or school credentials. They might have a different login page, but the process is mostly the same. Take a quick moment to double-check you're in the right account, especially if you use multiple Microsoft logins. It's an easy step to overlook, but it really saves confusion later. Once you've signed into OneDrive, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. Now here, where you get to choose exactly what you want to export. Maybe it's just one important document, or maybe you want an entire folder of pictures from a recent event. To select items, just click the small checkbox next to each file or folder you'd like to include. If you're selecting a folder, OneDrive will automatically include everything inside it. No need to go through and pick each photo one by one. If you accidentally click the wrong file, don't worry. You can easily uncheck it and keep going. Take your time here and really make sure you've got everything you need. There's no rush. With your files and folders selected, look near the top of your screen and you'll see a handy toolbar pop up. Among the options, you'll find a download button. Usually it's represented by a little arrow pointing downward. Go ahead and click that. OneDrive will then take all your selected items and package them together for you into a single zip file. If you've ever downloaded a folder from the web before, this will feel familiar. A zip file essentially acts like a suitcase. It compresses all your files and folders into one neat package that's easy to download. Depending on how many items you chose, this zipping process might take a few seconds. If you picked a large folder full of big videos or lots of photos, just be patient while OneDrive works. Your computer and internet connection will also play a role here. Once everything's ready, your browser will automatically start downloading the zip file, and by default, this will usually land in your Downloads folder. You might see it pop up in your browser window, either at the bottom or the corner, depending on which browser you're using. Now to access your exported files, simply head to your Downloads folder and look for that new zip file. Double-click it to open it up, and you'll see all your files and folders just as you selected them, ready to be used however you like, whether that's moving them somewhere else, uploading to another service, or just keeping an extra backup. And that's all there is to it. Exporting OneDrive files using the web version is straightforward, reliable, and works perfectly for grabbing just a few things or specific folders. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a like, and if you have any questions about the process or about other features you'd like to see covered, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.